Hello everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. How are you today? I hope you all doing good. Alright, today we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound of group 7. And this time we are going to learn about the sound. Okay, can you please say together with me? Good job. Alright, now we are going to say the sound along with the action. Okay, roll your hand over each other and say Okay, let's do it together. Great job. And now we are going to say the words with the sound. Are you ready? Okay, repeat after me. We have water. Water. And then there is flower. Flower. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. Spider. Spider. Tiger. Tiger. Ladder. Ladder. Great job, everyone. Now it's activity time. Identify the name of these pictures. Are you ready? Good job. Let's get started. What picture is this? You're right. Flower. What about this? Good job. Mother. What about this picture? Excellent. Water. What about this picture? Very good. It's father. What about this picture? Good job. Tiger. What about this picture? Excellent. Spider. Yay! Well done, everyone. Now it's time for riddle. Enjoy.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? This is kind of plant. It's beautiful and colorful. The bees and butterfly get the nectar from this plant. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a flower. Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next riddle. Goodbye.
Alright, now let's review about the phonics sound that we learned today. Okay, what is the sound? Good job. Yeah, very good. Alright, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.